Good morning, children. Hope all are fine at home. Today we are learning a new chapter, a new lesson, lesson 12. Lesson 12. The name of the lesson is this, that, these and those. What's the name of the lesson? This, that, these, those. It's very easy lesson. Only for a few times if you listen in the class, it will be very easy and you can do the exercise by yourself. Okay. So we will read from the beginning. Children, please take your English grammatics book and take lesson 12. Page number 57. Page number 57. Read the following sentences and look at the pictures carefully. Some sentences are given here with the pictures. So you see the picture and read the sentences. Okay. This is a ball. These are balls. From the first two sentences you can understand. This is a ball. There only one ball is given. That is singular. And when there are plural, more than one ball, what we have written? These are balls. So what is the plural of this? What is the plural of this, children? This plural is these. This plural is these. It is singular and it is plural. Okay. When there is only one thing, one person, then we say this. And when it is more than one, then we have to use these. Okay. What next thing? Read. This is a book. These are books. This is a book. That means only one book. These are books. That means more than one. Okay. Next one. That is a knife. Those are knives. When we speak, this is a book. That means it is near me. This is a book. That means this book is near me. But when I say that is a book, that means that book is far from me. That book is far away from me. It is far. Okay. So when some things are kept very far, we point the finger and say, we point out the finger and say, that's a book. That's a tree. That's a house. Okay. But when it is close to me, when it is near me, we say this. Okay. And here it is given, that is a knife. That is a knife means it is kept far from me. That is a knife. Those are knives. That means there more than one knife is there. One knife means I can say that is a knife. When there are more than one knife, I have to say those are knives. So the plural of that, is those. The plural of that is those. So now you understood the name of the lesson. This, these, that, those. Now it is clear to you. Yes. When the thing is near to me, close to me, I say this. When it is far, I have to say thee. When it is far, I have to say that. The same way, if it is plural and if it is near me, I will say these. When it is far, I have to say those. So these two things you have to understand. When the thing is near me, this. When it is far, that. Same way, if it is plural, then these and those. Okay. Next one. That is a pencil, those are pencils. I am saying that is a pencil and those are pencils. There one pencil is kept, then I will say that is a pencil. If it is more than one, I have to say those are pencils. Okay. Now read. You can use this when you indicate one thing near you. If it is near you, you have to use this. You can use these when you indicate more than one thing near you. When the things are more, but it is near you, you have to use these. You can use that when you indicate one thing farther away from you. When the thing is far from you and if it is only one, you have to use that. You can use those when you indicate more than one thing farther away from you. If it is more than one thing, you have to use those. Always remember this, that, these and those are called demonstrative pronouns. So we say for these, what we say? Demonstrative pronouns. These are called demonstrative pronouns. Now children, please take page number 58. We have to write the exercise we have to do the exercise in this book itself. Okay? The line is given there, we have to do it. So before doing the exercise, some symbols are given there. You can see the symbols from the picture. Okay? This, that. While writing this, the hand is kept like that in the picture. This means here. That means with the pointed finger, that is where the pointed finger is shown, there you have to write that. Same way, and this one is singular, okay. And same way in the another picture it is given, these, those. These means the things are near me but in plural. Those I have to point out and say those, and that is more than one thing. Okay, more than one thing when I say those. And it is kept far from me. It is kept far from me. It is far, so I am saying those. But if it is close, then I will say these. Okay, now we will do the exercise. First word A. Fill in the blanks with this, that, these, those. So you have to see the hands picture there, and then only you will be able to write the exercise. First you have to see the picture, how it is given. The fingers, how they are showing, you will see first and then you will write the answer. First one, dash are your books. And there the pointed finger is shown. And books means more than one, it is plural. So what you will write there? Those. Those are your books. So write children, number one, those are your books. P capital. Second one, down. Dash is a black pencil and there is no pointed finger. So what you have to write there? This is a black pencil. This is a black pencil because that is kept near me. Next one. Dash is Tom's school bag. There is pointed finger. So what you will write there? That is Tom's school bag. Next one. Dash are Amit's rulers. These are Amit's rulers. Rulers means scale. Okay, ruler means scale. So write there. Number 3, that. And number 4, these. Now we are going to write number 5. Number 5 and 6. Dash sharpener is red. This sharpener is red. This sharpener. Next one. Dash are notebooks. Those are notebooks. Pointed finger is there, so you will write there those. Okay, then number 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. We can write together. Okay, 7th one. Dash is a map of India. That is a map of India because pointed finger is there. Next one. Dash is a bicycle. This is a bicycle. Next one. Dash purse is Sarita's. This purse is Sarita's because the purse is kept close to me. Next one. these dash are my shirts. How you will write? These are my shirts. It is close to me. Okay. So this much we will write first. 7 that. Then 8th one this. 9th one this. And 10th one these. Now 11, 12 and 13 and 14 we can write together. 11. Dash is Stephen's desk. That is Stephen's desk. Next one. Dash is Nikita's table. This is Nikita's table. Next one. Dash are pens. Those are pens. It is kept far. Next one. Dash is my computer. That is my computer because finger is short there. So pointing the finger. So that is my computer. So we will write number 11 that. Number 12 this. Number 13 those. And number 14 that. Now we are going to write number 15, 16, 17, 18. 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay, yes. 15 read children. Dash are Kavita's crayons. Dash are Kavita's crayons. There is no pointed finger, so what you will write there? These. Next one. Dash mobile is Neha's. There is pointed finger, so we have to write that. Next one. Dash is a maths book. Again that. Dash chairs are broken. Those. Because pointed finger is there. So complete this children. Number 15. These. That. And those. So this much is clear children. So this lesson is very easy and simple. So only the thing you have to see where the thing is kept. If it is close to you then this. If it is far then that. Same way more than one then these. And if it is far those. Okay. So learn children, this lesson is very easy. So prepare for the exam lesson 12. Okay. And this lesson is having only one part. Understood? So learn well. Okay. Bye children. Thank you.